Hey, just wanted to share a quick invention idea. I don't really have the free time to do it, but if any of you do, feel free and get back to me on how you accomplished it. Hope it went well. So, just real quick, I had this idea for micro LED magnetic hologram. So, if you can take a look here, they have these micro LEDs with capacitance and inductance. Pretty interesting stuff. So what you could do is instead of having that very nice glass piece, you could have them float magnetically. And I base this off of the LG magnet, which is a micro LED panel where they vacuum seal or magnetically seal together. So, in the case of a floating hologram, all you would need to do is have a series of micro LEDs that could be color changing, create an inductive surrounding, have a magnetic levitation system for each little micro LED so they could come together. And since you can change their colors on the fly through software, you can have the software perfectly match the color and the facial structure if you want to do humans or if you want to do certain materials. You can have it floating in midair. And because it's physical micro LEDs with actual capacitors and inductance involved, you could feel a physical sensation interacting with the hologram. So imagine, you know, probably take 100,000 to a million of these micro LEDs for a small little flying prototype. Probably wouldn't need much, maybe like 24 volts, 30 volts. If you wanted to do a really grand scale thing, like an entire theater, you could probably do tens to hundreds of thousands of volts, and you'd probably need about 100 million micro LEDs. But you could do it, and that would be very impressive. You could have an entire theater production or movie production of micro LED holograms interacting with the crowd. That'd be pretty cool. All right, just a little food for thought. If anybody gets around to inventing that, or when I have the time and capital and resources to do that, I'll do that. Future Ian invention idea. All right, have fun. Bye bye.